Okay, Verizon just released a new OS, .148. It was released May 31st, and I have updated. I really haven't had problems with the phone. As my other video I stated, it is a launch day phone. One problem, last few days I've been having a problem with these two buttons. I'm not quite sure what's going on there, so I may end up taking it back. Well, I'll go show you through what's going on. So far I've had about 24 hours to play with it, so I found a few things that I like, so I'll just take a real quick tour. Of course, still same screen setup. It's a little smoother. Okay, and of course you have, so you know I am running Okay, one of the first things I found is of course you have your browser, full keyboard. There's a new go button. I kinda like this a little bit better. Not quite sure why. Keys are a little smaller. You just gotta be sure what you type. Let me see. So that's the browser. I didn't really find anything else in the browser. Of course, there's the camera. These are the only things I ever found. The one thing I do like about this is the bottom part is now see-through. Before, it would be like a dark bar, so you couldn't see. So you're all trying to get your pictures right, but now that back button is see-through. Pictures are a lot quicker. Yeah, apparently this one's not working around. Camera's still kind of yeah. So the camera's kind of, so that's the camera. Okay, and then the clock has nice little cool features also. You can, new thing they have in there is a stopwatch now. So stopwatch, for whatever reason you need a stopwatch. And it does have a timer. I don't know what the difference between a stopwatch and a timer is. To me they look the same. Okay, one goes back and the other one goes forward. Okay, so next thing would be the improvements I like most are in the texting. Get you out of here real quick. Let me get you a new. Okay, text button. You see the keyboard. Portrait mode is fully. One thing I find easier text. But the one thing I do like. Let's see if I get a picture of it. They have this new thing. See a little bubble that comes in, and you can just drag. It's a lot easier to copy and paste, or to find out where you need to go. And your cursor. I don't know if you can see that or not. So it's like, because I know that I used to have a hard time trying to get my icon in the right place. Pretty much. I don't know what you want to call it. So you can just click on it, and you can just drag to the right spot. I don't know if you can see that or not. And you can just drag to where you want, which is nice. And of course, copy and paste. Click it, and you color it through, and you're copied, and you can paste now through text actually. Let's see. I do like that. Discard. Okay, and in Application Center, new button, new icon for the applications. And let's see. That's about it so far that I found. Of course, you have a bunch of apps: MySpace, the Twitterberry, Google. Let's see. We have also, of course, downloads, App World, Buzzberry, the blue blinking icon, leveler. Just see if it levels or not. As you can tell, it's quite not leveled, but we'll get there. And we have, it just seems it responds faster. Some games, Brick Breaker, Word Mole, Tetris. Yeah, I did that wrong. Let's see what else we have. It just seems to respond a lot faster and better. Most time. That's about it for right now. I'm gonna give it a few more days to play around with it, and I'll give you another update pretty soon. But yeah, that's it. One more thing. Also, I know one of the problems with BlackBerries are the memory. So right now I'm at 24 megabytes, which doesn't sound great, but it is. When I was running on 0.75, I usually was around 10 to 9 all the time. I haven't had a battery pull on this one since I restarted yesterday, which is pretty good. So 24, I'm happy with that. That's all I want to say. So that's about it. Any questions, leave a comment. My other video has a my BlackBerry pin. Send a message. Talk to y'all later.